Wala pa. Comparison mo na sir, comparison. Kaway pa, kaway pa to, kaway.
Abdominal pose. Gentlemen, show your washboard abs. The abdominal pose. Now, you pose and you hold. Again. Relax. Side chest. Side chest, gentlemen. Any side, your strong side. Stand to
Kana, Diyos.
contestant number 2, you stay in between with the
Tunga.
contestant number 4 and 7. You stay in between.
Tunga.
Sa tunga ka daw. Sa tunga ka daw. Sa tunga ka contestant number. Okay?
Yang ato ba?
Most muscular pose. Show your most muscular pose or the club pose. Most muscular pose now. Most muscular pose. Most muscular. Relax. Side chest. Any side. Your strong side. Gentlemen, show your side chest pose. Side chest pose. Now.
Shot na ka ba, Bert? Shot na ka.
Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. On your back. On your back, gentlemen.
Normal lang.
Inhale, exhale. Relax muna ng konti. Back, lat, spread. Your back latissimo spread. Gentlemen, show your back lat spread pose. Back lat spread pose now. Fix everything. The legs, your hamstring. Relax. Relax. Back double bicep. Gentlemen, show your back double bicep. Back double bicep pose. Back double bicep pose. Back double bicep pose now. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. When you walk, face the audience. Inhale, exhale.
Kapoy na yun. Mura maliit ko. Mura sa mga gawas ng baso niya. Wapagin na yun namin ang tubig.